Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I will be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we have got various remote work from home job opportunities, especially for the mid-level of experienced people. So you can apply for these particular opportunities, right? So there is a hiring for junior QA and the location is remote. So it's a 6 month of contractual based position. So they are looking for 2 to 4 years of experience in software testing, hands-on experience with Selenium WebDriver for test automation. So interested candidates, you can share your CV at this email address. Then there is a requirement for manual testers, remote, again 2 to 4 years of experience, and they are looking for someone who is immediate joiners. And you can send your resume to this email address. They are looking for key skills, for example, test case execution, defect reporting, functional and regression testing, API testing, strong analytical skills. So these are few of the skills that they are looking for. Innovation M company is looking for QA manual professionals. They are looking for someone with expertise in mobile, web, and API testing with hands-on experience in load testing and JMeter. Location is Noida. Experience is 2 to 6 years. And this is the email address. While sharing your profile, you have to mention about the total experience, current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period. Preferred candidates would be immediate joiners, and candidate with an official 1 month of notice period can apply for the same. Hiring for QA executive work from home, HR@plumtreewebsolutions.com. Experience is 1 year, work from home position is this. Then ByteRich is hiring for manual QA remote work from home. You can send your CV at hr@byterich.com. Location is remote, experience 0 to 3 years. Then Infosys is hiring for multiple QA positions. You can share your updated resume to this email address, right? And this is a referral email address. So if you have already applied in the Infosys in last 6 months and you got rejected or you were referred by someone else, then it will not be allowed, right? System would not allow him to refer you if any of these point hold to be true. Eligibility is given. Location is pan India, and these are the details that you need to share along with your resume. So technology name with referral code, full name, email and contact details, current organization, date of birth, total experience, primary skill, present location, all these details are required. And these are the four primary positions. And you can see the hiring is going on across India, pan India, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Trivandrum, Chandigarh, Noida, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Chennai. A lot of hiring is going on at Infosys company. Then one more company is there, which is hiring for senior automation and manual test engineers. So you can apply over here, and this is the email address. Then there's a requirement for QA manual testers. So they are looking for someone who is having 3+ years of experience. Work mode is remote. Notice period is immediate joiners or maximum to 2 weeks. So you can apply for this particular job opportunity. You can send your resume to this email address. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel because these all opportunities, these all positions are shared with you absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.